Welcome to AK Jha classes of biology. In previous video, I have explained the various types of epithelial tissue and their detailed description. Now in this video, I am going to explain the various types of connective tissue, their definitions and their functions. So far, we have explained first type of animal tissue, which is epithelial tissue. Now I am going to explain the next type of animal tissue, which is connective tissue. First of all, we define the connective tissue. What is connective tissue? The connective tissue is a type of tissue which connect different organs of the body, which forms packaging around the visceral organs. So on the basis of their functions, connective tissue are of different types. We explain one by one different types of connective tissue. So first, connective tissue is called connective tissue proper. It forms packaging around the visceral organs. It is of 6 types: areolar connective tissue, adipose tissue, pigmentary tissue, white fibrous tissue, tendon and ligament. These all are the types of connective tissue proper, which forms packaging around the visceral organs, connect different organs of the body, connect bone to bone, connect bone to muscles, and forms packaging around the internal organs. We study one by one in detail these types of areolar connective tissue. And next type of connective tissue is fluid connective tissue, in which cells are floating in liquid. These connective tissue are of 2 types: blood and lymph. We explain these blood and lymph in detail one by one. Next tissue is a skeletal tissue, which forms a skeleton of our body. We know that we have endoskeleton. Our framework of the body is made up of internal skeleton, which is called endoskeleton. Our endoskeleton is made up of bone and cartilage. So both bone and cartilage are called a skeletal tissue because they are the integral part of our body. They connect different organs of the body. So a skeletal tissue is also a kind of connective tissue. So we explain one by one these different types of connective tissue. So first of all, connective tissue proper. In connective tissue proper, we explain one by one 6 types of connective tissue. That is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. First type is areolar connective tissue, second is adipose tissue, third is pigmentary tissue, fourth is white fibrous tissue, fifth is tendon, and sixth is ligament. So first of all, we explain the areolar connective tissue, that is first type of connective tissue proper. Then we explain 1 to 6 other connective tissue. First type of connective tissue proper is areolar connective tissue. The main function of areolar connective tissue is it forms packaging around the visceral organs. And the main characteristics of areolar connective tissue is that matrix is found in abundance. Matrix is the ground substance or liquid substance in which various types of fibers and cells are scattered. That means in matrix of the areolar connective tissue, fibers and cells are present. So there are 2 types of fibers in the areolar connective tissue. One by one. First is collagen fiber or white fibers. They are not elastic, so they are inelastic. And next is elastic fibers or yellow fibers. They are elastics. So there are 2 types of fibers in the areolar connective tissue. collagen fibers or white fibers, and elastic fibers or yellow fibers. Now, different types of cells present in the areolar connective tissue are: first is fibroblast or fibrocytes. They are large and flat cells. They are scattered in the matrix of areolar connective tissue. Second is macrophages or histiocytes. They are large irregular shaped cells with a small nuclei. It engulfs small particles, bacteria, and thus helps killing infection and increases our immune system, that is disease resistant capacity of our body. Next type of cells present in areolar connective tissue are mast cells. The mast cells are large, rounded or amoeboid with granular cytoplasm and big nucleus. They produce matrix, that is liquid substance, and contain heparin and serotonin. Here the substance heparin and serotonin, these are the chemicals. Heparin is anticoagulant. It prevents the clotting of blood inside the blood vessels. And serotonin helps in contraction of blood vessels, so it is also called vasoconstrictor. Next type of cells present in areolar connective tissue is lymphoid cells. Probably they are white blood corpuscles. They are irregular and amoeboid in shape. They wander about in matrix and engulf bacteria. That means they also helps in killing infections and increases immune system of our body. Now we study the location of areolar connective tissue, where areolar connective tissue present, and what are the functions of areolar connective tissue. Now we study the location and function of adipose tissue. Adipose tissue is widely distributed in our body. It joins the skin to muscles. Our skin is joined to the muscles with the help of areolar connective tissue. It fills spaces around the organs. Organs are suspended in our body, and it is kept at a place because the space between different organs of the body are filled with areolar connective tissue. That means it fills the spaces inside the organs, and it is found around muscles. Muscles are also packed by the areolar connective tissue. Blood vessels, around the blood vessels. Blood vessels are kept at a place, at their proper place, because around the muscles there are filling materials, that is packaging materials. These are areolar connective tissue, and found around the nerves. The packaging around the nerves are also the areolar connective tissue. That means it is widely distributed in our body, present in all parts of our body. These are the locations of areolar connective tissue. Now we study the different functions of areolar connective tissue. We study one by one. It is of great importance in first metabolism, because they have different types of cells. They have also mast cells. They have phagocyte cells. They increases our immune system. They increases our disease resistant capacity. So they help in metabolism of our body. They help in repair after an injury, to healing of the wounds after an injury, and it also fighting and destroying foreign bodies and bacteria. So these are the important functions of areolar connective tissue. Second type of areolar connective tissue, that means connective tissue proper. Second type of connective tissue proper is adipose tissue. It is fat storing tissue. Mainly it is present below the skin and stores fat. That means adipose tissue fat containing tissue present below the skin and the stored fat. It is of two types, white adipose tissue and brown adipose tissue. White adipose tissue contains single large droplets of fat and surrounded by cytoplasm, while the brown adipose tissue contains many small droplets of fat scattered in cytoplasm. Its brown color is due to high concentration of iron containing cytochrome pigment, which gives it brown color. Third type of connective tissue proper is pigmentary tissue. Mainly it is present in skin. It contains chromatophores or pigment cells present in areolar connective tissue. That means we can say that it is a type of areolar connective tissue in which chromatophores or pigment cells present. The light and dark color of skin is due to chromatophores or pigment cells. When the chromatophores are concentrated in the center of the cell, then the skin becomes light colored, and when the chromatophores are scattered in whole cells, then the skin becomes dark colored. So light and dark color of skin is due to pigment cells, chromatophores present in the pigmentary tissue. Now fourth type of connective tissue proper is white fibrous tissue. It is also a type of areolar connective tissue which contains numerous thin collagen fiber cells. Cells are few in number. It is present in urinary bladder, dermis of skin, and wall of intestine. Fifth type of connective tissue proper is tendon. In this type of connective tissue, all collagen fiber runs parallel to each other and are bound together by areolar connective tissue. Only fibroblast cells are present in tendon. The main function of tendon is that it connects bone to muscles. And last, that is sixth type of connective tissue proper is ligament. It contains only yellow elastic fibers. These fibers are bound together by areolar connective tissue with very few cells. And the function of the ligament is that it connects bone to bones. In next video, we will explain the remaining two types of connective tissue, which are fluid connective tissue and skeletal tissue. In fluid connective tissue, we study the detail of blood and lymph, and in skeletal tissue, we study the detail of bones and cartilage.